This is my outfit for today. Minus the nausea wristband. I'm just preparing for the car. And then this was my sister's outfit of the day. After getting ready, we headed out to Palm Beach because we were going to have breakfast at the Breakers Hotel this day. The Breakers Hotel is absolutely stunning. Driving up to the hotel, it honestly looks like an American castle, kind of like European touches mixed with American touches. It's stunning. The inside of this place is like actually insane. And then this is where we ate breakfast. Got our food. Absolutely delish. And then we did head up to get more food because this was a buffet style, so you can grab as much as you want. And honestly, there were so many good options, so why not? And then this is just us leaving the buffet. It was amazing. It literally gives like princess royalty vibes. This whole place is just beautiful. And then we just kind of walked around and explored the property some more. After spending a few hours at the Breakers Hotel, we headed over to Palm Beach just to walk around the area a bit some more. Palm Beach is absolutely stunning. Every corner that you take, it honestly feels like you're in Europe. It's just so beautiful, full of life and energy, and I can't wait to go back here because it was so much fun to visit. After spending a few hours walking around Palm Beach and Worth Avenue, we started to head back to our hotel to get some beach time in. We're heading to the beach right now. After spending a few hours at the beach and pool, we headed back up to the room, took in the beautiful sunset, and then we headed out to go get some dinner. After grabbing some dinner, we headed to a gift shop because we hadn't really done any souvenir shopping on this trip, so we wanted to grab something.
It looks crazy.
We headed down for breakfast at our hotel. This food was so good. I wish I could have it again. And then this was the beautiful view from our restaurant that we were eating at. We just got back from breakfast. I don't know why it's so dark. You guys ready? But we are going down to the pool. Yes, we are ready.
3 chairs only.
And I think we're gonna go down to the beach as well. guys were able to see any of the last footage, but we're going to the beach. After spending some time at the beach, we headed back up to the room, did a little bikini switch, which was what you guys saw in the last clip, and then we headed back down to the beach to spend some more time. After spending a few hours at the beach, we headed back up to the room, took in the beautiful views some more, and then we did end up getting ready to head out again so then we could grab some dinner. For dinner, I ended up grabbing Chili's. I had it in Banff and I loved it. And then my family, they ended up having food at the hotel just because the restaurant they wanted to eat at was a little bit farther. So we ended up just going back to the hotel and eating and taking in the views by the beach. And then we headed back out again because we really wanted to go see the sunset. And then we headed over to the lighthouse, which is like a really big thing down where we were staying. And this area was just so stunning and beautiful. And then we took some photos here, but I honestly didn't really like them, so I'm not gonna add them into the video. But then we headed out to go shopping a little bit, and we went to Home Goods, and then we also went to Five Below, and I forget what this store was, but it's kind of like Marshall's. These are really cute. Oh my gosh, wait, there's a glass cup too. Aww. After shopping for a bit, we headed back to the hotel because my sister and I wanted to do some digital photos in our like nicer outfits at nighttime, and they came out so good. Going down to the beach for the last time today. After spending some time at the beach, we headed back up to pack up because we were leaving. We're all packed up, ready to go. Got in the car and we're heading to the airport. Before dropping off the car at the airport, we did have to get some gas, but then after getting gas, we kept making our way to the airport and the car rental like drop-off place. We're on the plane.